What is up everyone? Last week we took on the challenge of using Cad Red. Now this week, let's take on the challenge of using Magenta without using Baby Blue. I feel like if you use Baby Blue, that's very easy to do. Let's use Magenta. I'm going to try to use green with it. Let's first do the line work and then we'll jump into the colors. Today we're trying chili lime by Kettle. This is going to be interesting because this is cooked in avocado oil. I've never tried chips that's been fried in avocado oil, so let's see how this tastes. These chips don't really stand out. They're kind of okay. There's definitely like a lime flavor. Don't taste any chili really. Very like citrusy kind of flavor. I'll give these about a 27 out of 34. Now let's get back to our painting.
Here we are, finished piece.
In terms of taking on the challenge of using Magenta, I think this is kind of like a flop because colors wise this just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. I'm definitely going to take this into digital and see if I can do a color change that actually works. But I think I'm going to have to try using Magenta again. Maybe next painting, maybe a few paintings from now, but I definitely need to do more color planning for the next painting. I'm not happy with how this looks. I'm happy with the composition, happy with the design, but color choice wise, this just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. It was a good challenge to take on. I'm happy that I did try it, but this just didn't work out the way I intended, and that's just part of the learning process. So if you're interested in learning how to draw and paint, I have a bunch of drawing tutorials over on the website. Link will be in the description. I also have a Patreon with a bunch of exclusive videos that you can check out. That's also linked in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Definitely will be doing tons more paintings in this series, so feel free to subscribe if you want to stay in touch. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!